So here we are in our local stomping ground, Whakarewarewa Forest, which is right next to Rotorua in the central North Island of New Zealand. And right now I'm going to tell you a little bit more about a very common question we get. What's the difference between going guided or doing things yourself when you go on a riding trip? So I speak a lot from experience on this one. I've done a lot of riding trips myself overseas, and I know how hard it can be sometimes when you're just trying to research yourself where a trailhead is, where the best trail is, what's going to be best at the in those conditions that you're given, all of the logistics, finding a vehicle, finding a place to stay, finding a place to eat, all of those things, and then where to go once you've actually found the trails. So going guided, it's easy. You check out the trip, so check out our website, newzealandmountainbiking.com. There's a range of itineraries there, and you just pick whichever one you like the look of, get in touch, and we take care of the rest from there. So we take care of everything from when you arrive here in Rotorua, from where you're staying, how you get transported around, where you're eating, which trails to ride, where, when, how you get there, how you get out of there. So really we just make it super easy because we know all of the trails. We've been there a ton, we know all of the best spots, where to go for a swim, where to get a beer at the end. It's pretty black and white really. You either have an adventure on your own and maybe miss out on a bunch of the good stuff, or you come with us and we give you all the highlights, no questions asked. So check out our website, newzealandmountainbiking.com. Check out our YouTube channel for some examples of where we ride. Go on Facebook, we're always updating what's going on, or Instagram, same thing, lots of pretty photos. Maybe we'll see you soon.